Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy and stop Telegram from accessing your call logs, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable call logs access for Telegram on your Android device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all your device's permissions and privacy options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through your apps and find Telegram. Tap on the Telegram icon to open its app info page. Here, you'll see several options for managing the app, but what we want is permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. Now, you'll see a list of all the permissions Telegram can request, such as access to your contacts, camera, and importantly, call logs. Find call logs in this list. If Telegram has access, it will be marked as Allowed. Tap on Call Logs, and then select Don't Allow. This will immediately block Telegram from accessing your call history, helping to keep your private information secure. By following these steps, you've taken control over your privacy and ensured Telegram can't see your call logs. Remember, you can use these same steps to manage other app permissions on your phone, giving you more control over your data. Thanks for watching this guide on disabling call logs access for Telegram. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with others who care about their privacy. Stay safe and in control of your digital life.